How to rank your YouTube videos. If this is what you wanted to learn, then you're at the right place. In this video, I'll be telling you my 5 strategies which I personally follow in order to rank my YouTube videos. So in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So the number one question is why you want to rank your YouTube videos. So if your videos are not ranking, then if a person is searching for that particular search term, your videos will not appear in the search results on YouTube, and you won't be able to promote your product or service or whatever you're promoting through that video. So you would want that video to appear in that particular search term. It should rank on that particular search term, so that if a person is typing that keyword, your video should appear in the top results. So let me just show you my results first of all, and then I'll be telling you my 5 strategies which I'm following in order to rank the videos. So right now I'm inside my computer and this is my YouTube channel. So let me just show you one of my video. So this is one of my recent video of Discover review, and you can see the video tags. I'm ranking on number 1 for this particular keyword, Discover review, and these are the different other keywords for which I'm ranking. And let me show you one more video of mine. So this is again a recent video of next gen affiliate review, and you can see I'm on number 3 for this particular keyword, next generation affiliate version 3 review, and I'm number 1 for this particular keyword. It's the same keyword but presented in a different way without the spaces, and these are the other similar keywords for this, and these are my ranks. And how these ranks are being shown, I'm using a free tool, a Chrome extension called vidIQ. I'll give a link to vidIQ in the description down below. You can check it out, you can install it. You just need the free version, you do not need the paid version to get these rankings. So how I'm able to do that? So I'm going to give you my 5 strategies which I'm following in order to rank the videos. The number 1 strategy is the proper SEO. What do you mean by proper SEO? So let me just take you back again inside one of my video. And by proper SEO means you first need to identify the keyword which you want to rank. So in this case, the keyword which I want to rank for is Discover review. So the first thing is you need to put that keyword in the front of the title. As you can see, I put in Discover review in the front of the title. Next is you need to make sure that in the description section your keyword should appear in the first line itself. As you can see, what I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you Discover review. So this is the keyword which is appearing in the front line, and your keyword should also appear in the other places in the description. The next thing which you need to take care under the SEO part is the file name, the raw file name which you upload it on YouTube. See, my file name is Discover review. So again, I have put in the keyword as my file name. The next thing which you need to take care of is the tags which you need to put in. So as you can see, these are the different tags which I put in for this particular video. Again, your main keyword should come in the front. It should be the first tag, and then the other keyword should be it should be similar to your main tag. It should not be a totally different keyword. So let's say you want to rank for Discover review, so you should not be putting like some other product name and review. You only want to rank for one particular keyword for a particular video. The other keywords which you see, they are the I must say similar keywords to the main keyword. That's what I meant. So that covers the SEO part. These are the important things which you need to take care of under the SEO part for your video, that will help you in the rankings. The number second trick is you need to put your video link in the description as well. Let me show you how I have done that. See, this is my description, and if you scroll down, you will see I have put in the link to this video, and this is the same video which is the Discover review. So you need to put the same video link in the description. That is going to help you to rank. The reason for that is due to backlinking, due to YouTube algorithm. That is what I personally follow. You can have a look in any of my videos that this is the best practice which I follow, so I'm sharing it with you. The third strategy to rank your YouTube videos is you need to say your main keyword in the first line of your video introduction. If you play any of my video, you will see me saying the keyword in the beginning of the video. I'll start with like Discover review. If this is what you wanted to check, then you are at the right place, or something like that. So I say the keyword at the beginning of the video. That also helps in the ranking of your YouTube video. So the fourth strategy which I want to share with you is you need to share your YouTube videos on different social media platforms. So that is basically to get those backlinks from different social media platforms. So the more the backlinks, the more the links from the other websites, other social media platforms, the higher chance of your video to rank on YouTube. So for sharing the video, it is built in inside the YouTube website only. As you can see, when you open up the video, you will see this option to share. So these are the different social media platforms. So all you need to do, just create your logins on these different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, and all these different which are available. And after posting your video, you just need to share them on each of these social media platforms from here. So that is again a very simple thing to do. You just need to create the accounts, and after posting the video, just share them on all of these social media platforms to get those backlinks. And the number fifth strategy which I'm using a tool called SynLab 2.0 to get those backlinks for my videos. So this is how the SynLab tool gonna look like. And basically what it does, it is going to automatically create multiple accounts, multiple social media accounts for you, and you just need to create a campaign on this. So let me just show you my campaigns over here. And as you can see, for this particular campaign, it is being shared to 15 different sites, and it succeeded on 11 of them. For 4 of them, there is some problem with the login, which I need to figure it out. And it says the syndication is completed. So you just need to put the links, and it will automatically share to these 15 different websites, 15 different social media accounts, which you even do not have to create it yourself. The software will do it for you. You just have to create the campaign, put in the link, put in the description, put in the keyword, and that is all. So guys, these were my 5 tips, 5 strategies which I personally use to rank my YouTube videos, and I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll give a link to this SynLab 2.0 in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.